Well, this is a video of the shed arriving, but as usual my videos there's a wee bit more to that. I had another large kit set shed half built on the lawn here, which, because the original plan was the new shed that I bought that Alistair was dropping off for me on his truck was going to go up the neighbour's drive and over the fence, but then he realised that that wasn't a go, it wasn't going to work. So at 1 o'clock in the morning, Colin, Jagger and Coxie and myself came flying around here and dismantled the shed that was half built so the other shed could get up there. So there was a bit of drama at 1 o'clock in the morning. I didn't hear any complaints from the neighbours, we were making a bit of noise. Anyway, so this is a video of the shed arriving and put in place. Okay, good one. Alistair at the controls. You can see why it's called the spider crane, because there's the legs of the spider coming out to support it. It's high, man. Here we go. Swinging around. Spider goes back into his den. Well, job done. Fantastic. And I'm going to give a plug for Alistair. He's just done an amazing job. So if you want anything shifted, spar pulls, furniture, landscaping materials, with his compact crane truck and a spider crane, he can get anywhere. And he's really friendly guy, really helpful. So check him out. Just type in Compact CraneTtruck or the number on the screen right now. Okay, and give Alistair a ring and he'll help you out. Awesome.